This here is hummingbird vine. It is also native and also deciduous. Some people call it red trumpet vine. You can see that it does not have tendrils. So it will have these little kind of suckers that will sort of suck onto a hard surface like a brick wall or a piece of wood. It hasn't made those yet. We'll have to come back to find those. Over here we have cross vine. It's called cross vine because its leaves grow opposite of one another. So if you look right here, it looks kind of like a cross. And this has an orange trumpet-shaped flower right about now. So when you're driving down the road, look for these orange trumpet-shaped flowers and know that you're seeing the cross vine. Look what we have here is honeysuckle. Now this is not Japanese honeysuckle. Ooh, did you see there was a hummingbird? Sorry, that was extremely exciting. This is red honeysuckle. It is native, and red is known to be one of the favorite colors of hummingbirds. The other thing that hummingbirds love are anything that is tubular shaped. So these are tubular shaped flowers, and they are hollow inside. And as you guys have figured out, that when you pull out the end, you get a little drip of sugar right there. Delicious. So I was gonna ask you who might love this flower, and the answer would have been the hummingbird. But if you guessed children on the playground, you would also be right. Over here we have a plant that is not native. This is one that human beings like to plant. Can you guess what it is? I will give you a hint. Here's a very obvious clue. It is a sugar snap pea. So when I pull the pea, I'm going to grab it here so I don't rip the plant apart, and then pull. See how the plant didn't get harmed at all? I didn't have to rip it off the fence. And then I'm going to eat it. That's why they call it the sugar snap pea, because it's crunchy and snaps when you eat it. Now, peas are a winter crop, and it's spring, so it's in its prime right now, but it's not going to last forever. So, since you guys aren't here, I guess I'm going to have to eat all the peas. What do we have here? Wow, look at our native honeysuckle. This is the first year that it's bloomed. This plant is 2 years old. But it was so young before that it didn't bloom. So plants don't always bloom right away. Sometimes you have to be patient. What an amazing bloom. So you guys may have seen another plant called wisteria that's blooming right now. It is an Asian wisteria, but it's actually invasive. And what that means is that it doesn't come from around here, so it doesn't have its normal predators. And so sometimes when we bring plants from other places, they just go crazy in the new environment and they don't leave room for the other plants. But this one, we don't have to worry about doing that. This one is native, and it just goes to show you, you don't have to import plants from other places. because we've got plenty of amazing, beautiful plants that grow right here in North America. All right, here's your loquat tree. As soon as you guys left, it just burst with loquats. They've all turned orange. It's even dropping them on the ground. There's no children here to eat the loquats. It's so sad. So sad. I'm just gonna have to eat them for you. Yum. Juicy and ripe. They're finally ripe, y'all. I'm so sorry you can't be here. I really, really, really miss you.